morning everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you are here for the first time, welcome. My name's Charlie, nice to have you here. Today we are doing something really exciting. We are going to Magic Kingdom. We haven't been to Magic Kingdom for months actually, and we're going to ride, hopefully, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. So we set an alarm at 6:55 this morning, so at this time you can only ride it if you join the virtual queue, which you're able to do at 7 AM before you get to the park, or you can try again at 1 PM once you're scanned into the park. So we set our alarm for 6:55 AM, and David and I both got our phones. You like put together your party before it turns 7 o'clock. That's really important, because if you're still trying to put the party together, like when it turns 7, you're not gonna get it. And as soon as it hit 7, we both refreshed. Mine kicked me out, but David, thank goodness, was the savior, and he was able to get us a boarding group. So we are boarding group 46. The park opens at 9, and it's currently 8:30, so they won't start calling the groups until it gets to 9 o'clock. So we're about to leave our house. It'll take us about 30 minutes to get there, including parking and everything. So we're very excited. We should be one of the first groups, I think. I don't really know. But we're gonna go into Magic Kingdom and hopefully ride that. I've been seeing that it's been breaking down a lot, so hopefully we're able to ride it. But yeah, so I'm wearing a little athletic dress because I'm gonna get soaked, and David is actually been very clever, and he's wearing his swimming trunks, his little bathing suit, and a t-shirt, and his Crocs. So I'm gonna put my Crocs on actually. It's Crocs and socks for me. I'll be a fashion icon. But anyway, we're gonna go and get in the car now, so come with us while we ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Do you wish you could ride it, Nala? Do you wish you could ride it? The most magical sight. What were you gonna say?
The camera isn't on you.
Oh, that's really sweet. Thank you. Mickey Mouse.
Monorail fare?
I don't know, you can pick. So we've got through security, and if you're picking up tickets, if you don't have them physically, this is where you can come and get them from. And then you have to decide if you want to go on the monorail or the ferry. So we'll see what the lines are like. Monorail's looking pretty long, to be honest. This is the line for the monorail, so there's 2 lines actually. The ferry is over here. Okay, so there was already a ferry docked, so we're gonna go get on the ferry this morning. It's weird, they're loading us from a different place. Normally I load from over there, but that is how close the Polynesian is to the Transportation and Ticketing Centre. And then you have the Grand Floridian over there too. We have just arrived in Magic Kingdom. David's hitting the gritty. We are heading straight into Adventureland because David said Pirates is only a 5-minute wait. Also, if you've ever wondered where Club 33 is in Magic Kingdom, it's here. It's this building. As we walk past, actually, you're going to see a little Magic Band scanner just down here. Look, that says Club 33. Okay, we've arrived at Pirates. Okay, we're on Pirates. It was only a 5 minutes wait, and now we're going into the ride. Arr, arr.
The wrong. Hot down, you lily-livered lover. Temples and actually really bad eggs. Drink up, lads. There's treasure enough for all.
Country bears are out in Frontierland. David just got completely ignored. Haunted Mansion is only a 13-minute wait, so we are going on that. So when Haunted Mansion says 13-minute wait, it actually is just a walk-on, but they just use 13...
I didn't know that.
You literally just said it before.
No, I didn't.
But they use 13 minutes because 13 is like spooky. It's also the same with Tower of Terror. So if you ever see either of them at 13 minutes, it means there's no line. Yeah, so go straight for it.
Do it. Just do it.
This is where they added the Hatbox Ghost.
Awaken the spirits with yours and breathe.
This is possibly the most beautiful location in all of Magic Kingdom, and it is just a bathroom, but it is so gorgeous. They also extended Rapunzel's painting out here, which is really pretty. And at night, all of the lanterns light up, so it's gorgeous at night. My hair in this humidity is not in. Okay, to give you an update, it is 10:30 AM and it's still only on boarding groups 23 to 33. So we're group 46, which we thought was a pretty low group, but it's already been open for an hour and a half and they're still only boarding groups 23 to 33. And once your group is called, I believe you have an hour to ride it. We're gonna try and do it straight away because it is hot. Let's look at the temperature. It is currently 30 degrees, but it feels like 34 Celsius. That is crazy. If we change it to Fahrenheit, it's currently 87 and it feels like 92. Love that, love it. We have come in to do Fill Our Magic, thank you, to get some aircon. Oh. It says a 15-minute wait, but we are walking straight in. I'm assuming it's just because the show has already started. We are in Fill Our Magic. We did probably wait about 15 minutes, would you say?
Yeah, I mean, we like walked right in terms of the line, but yeah, to get into the theater, I would say 15 in total.
Okay, started. We'll see you afterwards. Got all the way to Small World and realised I've still got my glasses, so now we're walking back to go and give them back. I don't know why no one stopped me. Just so you guys see that I didn't actually steal them. So Chip and Dale are meeting here, just on the water across from Tom Sawyer Island, so we're gonna go and meet them. Hi! Hello, how are you? Okay, so we've made it. I actually haven't seen it since they took the walls down, and it is so pretty. Apparently you still get soaked, so that's great, but oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous. I'm so excited to go on this. Our boarding group is almost here, so we're gonna get ready to go on. We're going into the shop, which is just in front of TIANA'S BAYOU Critter Co-op. Let's see what merch they have. It's so pretty in here. They have all this moss on the ceilings with like the little fireflies inside. So they have this little baseball cap that has TIANA'S BAYOU Adventure. They have a t-shirt that says Shortcut to the Bayou. They've got these little reusable cups.
It's Ray.
It's Ray with fireflies and then red on the inside.
Magic band. There,
My hand's stuck. Magic band with Lewis on it. And then we've got
Lounge fly.
an exclusive lounge fly. Oh, that's really pretty. What's the back like? Oh, some fireworks on the side. Just a little flower down there. Okay. And then we have. Oh, the inside has TIANA'S BAYOU Adventure in there. And then the ears, they're like a leather, which is nice. Oh, press here. Will you press it?
Where?
On the bow?
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's fun. So they've got light up ears. Okay, please can you turn it off? Thank you. Oh, oh, nice. That's cool. And then we've got a spirit jersey.
It's a joyful celebration.
That's really fun. So they have the ears on display here, another set of ears. This hair slide, which is gorgeous, and then this little crown. The hair slides are all here actually. That's so pretty.
Oh, a little teapot.
Oh wow! Got a little teapot, a Tiana pot, a little cushion with Tiana on it, a little blanket. We've got some Christmas ornaments, some key rings, a little photo frame. So they also have have this section in the shop that has lots of different spices from New Orleans and also a cookbook from this chef. Also have some roasted pepper hot sauce with Mama Odie on it, some chocolate with Lottie and Tiana on it. So our boarding group just got called, so we are in the queue now. So we're gonna see how long it takes. It's 11:35. We'll see how long it takes us to get through the queue and get on the ride. It's quite long, so we're still stopped pretty close to the beginning of the entrance. But we're very excited. They have rethemed the queue, so it's kind of like Tiana's Gardens. So there's vegetables and stuff, I'll show you in a second. So this is added into the queue, so there's some like onions, green peppers, and then some corn here. So they have this car outside that says, never ever lose sight of what's really important. And then they have this gorgeous mural all the way up the building. So this has completely changed. It's like Tiana's little office. Wow.
Oh wow.
Oh, is that about her dad? Oh, the letters from her dad are on the wall. That is so sweet. Beignets! Give me that! Don't forget, celebration at my house tonight. Everybody's welcome. See you there, Tiana. I'm loving the theming in the queue so far. So this area inside used to be split by a railing right down the middle, but they've removed it, so there's way more space in here, which is great. But this is where Lightning Lane joins regular lane. So we are about to get on the ride. I'm going to film a little bit of it, but not the drop, because I want to put my camera away from that. So I will not be getting the drop, just so you know. So we are about to get on. Also, if you want to join your family in the queue and then leave, you can exit right here. So basically, as you're getting on the ride, you can just choose to go up them stairs instead. Living with the lamb.
Yeah, a little bit.
Armadillo? At Christmas they should dress him up as the holiday armadillo. Almost there. I'm almost there. People down.
Never lose sight of what's really important.
You. Thank you. Okay, I think this is where we drop inside. Oh, cute. Is that Mama Odie's? I'll film this drop, but not the big one. I don't want my camera to get wet. Got a bit of a splash there, but nothing crazy. Going down the bayou. Wow. Ooh. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, Okay, I'm putting away the vlogging camera for now, so I will update you when we get off. So we just made the drop. It was so good. Ooh, I really enjoyed the whole ride. I really liked all the animatronics and the music, and it was so beautiful inside. I didn't get that wet, but we're sat right in the back row. I think if you sit in the front, you probably got a lot more soaked. So, but what did you think?
Yeah, no, I agree. It's a very nice ride. Obviously, you know, the nostalgia with Splash Mountain. I do think they did a fantastic job, and it's something everyone should definitely try. I'll definitely be going back on it, and it was very upbeat, you know, with Splash Mountain. There was kind of like a negative storyline in a sense, you know, going up to the drop, and then it's like, ah! But the entire ride was like very nice and uplifting, so I really enjoyed that part of it. The theming is fantastic, animatronics are great, music is wonderful. Now I just wish I could have some gumbo or jambalaya or beignets or something.
Well, there's beignets outside.
Yeah, I know, but you know they're not the same.
Whoa! This is so cool! Hi, Lottie. Wow! Oh my god, look at her dress! Have some photo ops in the old shop, and they all have hashtag Tiana's Bayou Adventure. There's one over here with Mama Rhodey, and then there is this one here of Tiana, Lewis, and Naveen. So just next to Tiana's is the Golden Oak Outpost, and they've actually started selling Tiana's famous beignets here. So it's $6.99 for them, but the line is extremely long right now. So we're not gonna get them today, but if you were looking for them, this is where they are from. If you ever see me and David in the parks, I promise he's not mad at me. He just walks 10,000, 100 million steps in front of me at all times. But it always looks like he's storming off. And then he'll turn around and he'll look as if like, why am I not there with him? We are heading out now for the day. It is 12:30, so we were able to queue for Tiana's, ride Tiana's, and get to the park entrance in less than an hour. So we only waited, I think, 20 minutes to actually do the ride, didn't we?
25 tops.
25.
Yeah.
Which wasn't bad at all, because I was thinking it was going to be like an hour, but it wasn't, so that's good. But now we are heading out because it is too hot, and we can't do full park days anymore because we're not young.
It has nothing to do with being young. It has all to do with it being too hot.
Yeah, it is just too hot. But anyway, thank you so much for joining us to ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Young. Yeah, we are. Thank you so much for joining us to ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and we will see you in the next one.
Ta-ta for now.